BlueStamp was the first place that made me realize just how easy it is to make an impact on the world.
I actually go to Cal Poly, and Cal Poly, I think, is basically BlueStamp as a college because both of them are very like learn by doing kind of things, where it's like, oh, it's more hands-on rather than someone just talking to you.
I remember at the end of each day, we would do a stand down where we would say something we learned. And I thought that was really great because it really showed that we're there to learn.
BlueStamp was kind of setting up students for more of a real world approach to engineering. It's just like, it's very different from any other summer camp. It was that a memorable time.
I took it when I was in COVID year, but they still sent like a whole kit over and I was able to actually make my stuff in my room, which was really cool. After taking BlueStamp, I was pretty dead set on majoring in electrical engineering.
It felt kind of empowering that there were a ton of things that I didn't know how to do. And after like researching and learning about it, then I ended up doing it. So it was pretty empowering and very useful.
Stuff like Arduinos and wiring, and it's really cool because you look at it and you're like, oh, I've already seen this before. So when it's my turn to take some of those like intro classes to fulfill my degree, like I'm already kind of going to know what it is, which is definitely an advantage.
It kind of taught me how to really design something, starting with nothing, identify what are system requirements, identifying what is my success criteria.
It also really taught me like documentation is really important. Because my favorite part of BlueStamp is actually how we got to make like milestone videos and websites. Like I still use my website all the time when I'm showing people like, hey, look at this really cool project that I did in my junior year.
Like one of my college classes was similar to that, right? Where you are just kind of given like free reign to just like go build something. And being able to get that early on, I think definitely put me at an advantage when I started college.
A lot of the guidance that BlueStamp provided was really helpful. My mentor, his name was Jason. He was really good at kind of like guiding me throughout the process, like helping me when I had some questions. You honestly don't need any experience coming in because like I barely had any experience in machine learning, and most of what I did was learn through like different websites that I was provided or by asking.
All these disciplines that I'm currently using right now in my own classes, I learned back in BlueStamp. BlueStamp was one of like the coolest summer camps I've ever done.
It made me excited to start college and get to work on projects like that all of the time. And so I'm really grateful.